It's his turn to unbox something.
It's my turn. Last time we showed you a video of...
My unboxing of my glove.
What kind of glove was it?
It was a Bradley.
Bradley.
And I totally don't know what his is.
Okay, so mine is a 44 gloves custom signature series glove. And now we're gonna open it and see what my Christmas, oh actually it was my birthday gift.
Yeah.
It was my birthday gift to myself, which I never give myself anything, but I gave myself something now. I don't play pro ball, or minor ball, or any type of ball, but...
We in the friend we catch.
Yeah, but we play catch, and he plays Little League. So
I do not play Little League, I'm in minors.
Oh, okay, minor leagues. And I practice with him, and we're gonna get better. He's gonna get better, and I'm gonna have fun while he gets better. So here it is. Let's see. Ready? I'm gonna cut the glove. That's good enough. Now we do this side. And now let's see what's going on in here. Alright, you ready, Bumbo?
Yeah.
Okay. I forgot how to close this. This is my daughter's knife. She has a better knife than I do. So I don't know how to close it. Let's see. I'll kill myself here. Alright, well, we'll just put this to the side. And now we're gonna open the glove. So here, let's move the box over. And we have a custom handcrafted glove for E. Pereira.
And you have a
And it comes with a nice little 44 wristband. Pretty cool, black. Let's put that on.
It's actually a bit small for your hand.
Word, I like that. Alright, let's pull up the sleeves. Oh, got that big old 44 at the bottom. Well, this is like a vinyl along with fabric here. Nice stitching, embroidered. I hope you guys can see that. That's pretty cool. And now we pull out the glove. Boom. Put the bag over here. And wow. Look at that. That looks pretty cool already in the plastic bag. What do you think? You like it? Are you a little jealous? Jealousy is not a good trait.
And it has his name on it.
And it has my name on there with the lightning bolt.
Harry
And,
Potter much?
Harry Potter. I've never seen Harry Potter. And then it has the 44 embroidered logo right there.
The inside has some
Okay.
fur.
So maybe we should take it out of the plastic so we can really show it. Why are you touching my glove? That's fine, you can touch me. You want to take it out? So that's my son. Ooh. So here we go. I got that snake embossed leather right here. It's probably faux, of course, but then the rest is leather.
Cool
And
little 44 attached
Yeah.
to
the tag.
the glove. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or like a tag, yeah.
Yeah, with the nice tan lacing. Ooh, looks good. Nice and even too. I know they were having problems with the holes being uneven before, but these look pretty even on here. I think they fixed their issues.
Yeah. Now we take out the inside. Oh.
You gonna take the inserts out? Yeah. Okay. Let's put that everything in the box. Make it look clean. And it's a 12-inch. Has the embossed snakeskin faux type leather here. Oh, it actually has the 44 engraved, indented right there. You guys see it? Sorry for my nails, I bite them sometimes. And then, I don't have to say that. Oh, okay. And then it has the crown right there And then it has the single piece web here, which is pretty cool. I like that. I like that clean look that it has. Then it has, of course, like I said, the embroidery, my name with the bolt. My son didn't get that because he got the Bradley glove because that was his first glove, but then it's time for him to get a real good glove. Not a real, because that's a great glove actually.
Yeah.
But when it's time for him to move
on to majors
or something, he's gonna get. I'm gonna probably go back with a 44 because this is looking pretty good. Look at that. Look at the inside 44, and it says 44 there, and then the number is 44, and then on this right here it's a crown tip. I hope you guys can see this crown tip glove because I like it. I think a lot of people have the regular ones. I just like this crown tip type thing. It's like a boxing glove kind of look to it. I love it. It came out really nice. So it's basically the colors I chose was black, gold, and tan. Cause that just says Chicago.
Yeah.
It's like
Chicago
colors.
Yeah,
because we're just Chicago all the way. I love this city. I know people hear bad things about it, but every place has its bad places, but I love my city, Chi-Town. And yeah, so this is my glove, so let's see how it goes in. Alright, my hand goes in pretty good. It's pretty stiff right now. Ooh, it's real stiff. It's a real stiff glove, but it feels good. So a 12-inch, I mean, I've heard some players using this and third base even, a 12-inch, but I guess for what I'm gonna use it for, it's just catching and messing around. This pretty much serves its purpose, but is that pretty or what?
Yeah.
Sorry if I'm using the word pretty too much, but that's pretty. What word would you use to describe it?
Nice.
Nice.
So
I love it. If you hear a coughing in the background, that's my wife. She's a little under the weather.
Sick. My glove came with like a band, so basically the band.
Oh, this one didn't come with a band?
Yeah.
All right, 44 gloves. Y'all gotta step up and send bands.
Yeah.
To hold the glove.
It's made for breaking in your glove, so you could put oil or the
conditioner.
Or the band, which I have.
Yeah. So here you guys have this 44 glove. Just came in. It was a birthday gift to myself, which my birthday is in early December. So it took a little longer because they had to get their Christmas orders in, but it just arrived January 10th. And it is a beauty. I almost don't want to play with it. I'm gonna probably put it in a box. Let me know if you guys want other angles of it.
Yeah, so basically this was my glove, and my glove came with the band to it.
So Brad, 44 gloves, send the band next time. Thanks.
So.
And that's my pretty glove there. And I think we're pretty much done with it for the basics. I'll make another video letting you guys. Oh yeah, I'll let my son tune in because that's my son. And I'll make another video once I've broken it in a little bit more, because right now it's like a rock.
Yeah.
But
it's
it's absolutely beautiful. So here's the web. Here's the engraving. And here is the inside. One more time. And it is just stunning. Alright. Thank you guys. Peace.